What's going on, guys? In today's brief video, I'm going to be showcasing our exclusive trading journal. It's our custom built Notion template, all of its amazing features and how you can use it to properly backtest and track all of your trades and more. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mike Santucci. I am the founder of QuantVue. We develop TradingView systems specifically designed for those trying to get funded and pass their challenges. So without further ado, let's dive right into this quick video. So this is the homepage of the Ultimate Trading Journal. At the top here, you'll have your ticker. This is completely customizable to whichever markets you'd like to track. We have this automatic trade tracking graph right here that will plot all of your trades that you enter here on the calendar. So there's a lot of amazing features in this trading journal. Here on the left, you'll find all of the main tabs. We've got our news tab, our tools, our habits, our accounts tab, trades, backtesting notebook, journal. You got a little account module here, another little market module here. On the right-hand side, really cool feature is the daily checklist. We also have daily reminders. All of these modules are completely customizable to exactly what suits your style. So for example, we've got a post-market plan here. Did I follow my plan today? Yes or no? What can I improve upon? We've got a little bullet list here, some key levels you might be watching. Once again, this is all customizable. Not only does this journal track your trades and your strategies, it will also track your personal habits. For example, we have a weekly habit tracker here where you can mark down whether you're waking up early, whether you're drinking enough water, whether you're studying, whether you got exercise that day, how well you slept. And the cool thing is these are pre-configured on a scale from 0 to 1. So depending on how many you check off, that will automatically be plotted right here on the habit tracking graph. So you can stay accountable on whether you're actually staying on top of your habits. So let's say you took 3 trades today. What you would do to mark those down here on the calendar, you can do it right from this homepage. Click this little plus sign. For example, let's say you took NQ, 1 contract. What's really cool is it will preload all of the trading journal tabs right here on each trade dashboard. So you can pick which account it came from, whether it was from your funded account, the time and day the trade was open and closed. You can put the pair here. Whether you're trading crypto, Forex, or stock, you can add those all in right here. You can add the various confluences that you had. For example, was there a double top? Was there a flag pattern? Was there a specific volume that you were looking out for? That can all be tracked here. What session, whether it was New York, London, or Asia. So you can get very, very detailed. And that's the whole point of this journal is we don't want it to just be, okay, here's my winning trade, here's my losing trade. This is really designed to help you get very detailed on every single trade. So you can start to notice patterns on your winning trades and also your losing trades. And that's how you're going to improve as a trader. For example, what percent you risked. Let's say you risked 1%. The RR you had, let's say it was 3 to 1. You can put your gross profit, your net profit. And then what's really cool is you can add your specific trade screenshot right here in the trade dashboard. So let's say you had placed a trade somewhere in here, go ahead, screenshot this. And then what you can do is you can throw that right into the trade tracker here. So you have the exact trading screenshot all in one place. Like we said, you can get very detailed with the amount of stuff you can track on every single trade. And that's the whole point, because that's how you're going to improve. Once you're done logging that trade, it will show up here on your calendar, and then it will automatically be plotted everywhere else inside the trading journal. So as you can see right here, that NQ 1 contract trade shows up here in your trading history, and then it will also be plotted here on your trade tracking graph. This will track your P&L all in one place automatically with whatever you log here in your trading journal. So not only can you get very detailed on every single trade, but you can also do the exact same thing for your strategies. So for example, these are some preloaded ones. We've got a Bitcoin back testing. If we open it up here, you can see, okay, this was a Bitcoin strategy. You had these confluences. It was a short position. It was Bitcoin ETH pair. So this is equally as customizable as the trade entries. We also have our notebook section. These are some pre-configured sections to the virtual notebook. We've got some quick notes, personal, a brain dump section, some work notes, your trading notes, back testing. So for example, you can add any comment, any sort of notes you'd like, and it's all right here in one place. Like we said, this isn't just a trading journal for your financial benefits. It's also meant to help you with your personal development as a trader as well. So there's a journal section here where you can log various entries, anything you'd like. You treat it just as another virtual journal. Where this trading journal really separates itself from anything we've seen out there on the market is these utility tabs. So for example, this is the news tab. This tab comes pre-configured with various news outlets. It automatically tracks with an RSS feed all of the biggest stories for that day. One of our favorite parts is this investing.com module right here. So you are never blindsided by any news for that specific day. You've got everything pulled up right here. So in an ideal world, you would have your broker on one screen, maybe your TradingView on another, and then you've got the trading journal pulled up and you are ready to go for that days of trading. Also in this trading journal are some common questions that we always get and just an overall guide on how to use the trading journal in general. We also have a previous YouTube video where we briefly go over and highlight some of the cool aspects of this journal. One of the benefits of using a Notion trading journal like this over traditional trading journal softwares is that it's a one-time fee. Almost every trading journal on the market, they make you pay monthly to a subscription. In this case, you pay once and you have access forever. And the best part, you don't have to worry about messing this up, because if you do, you just Command Z and it'll undo whatever you just did. Also, you can always revert back to the original template. And if you ever have any questions about any of this, feel free to reach out. We are always happy to help and onboard you to not only this product, but all of the products we offer here at QuantVue. So if you want access to this exact same Notion trading journal that I showcased today, we'll link that in the description below. And as a bonus, since you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to be going ahead and giving away a 30% discount. Just use the code SAVE30 at checkout. And if you want access to our complete TradingView system specifically developed for funded traders, so you'll have the indicators, you'll have your trading journal, that'll also be linked in the description below. You can get a 30-day risk-free trial on our entire toolkit. If you are not satisfied within those 30 days, simply request a refund, cancel, and we will happily provide that if you are not totally satisfied. That's how confident we are in our system and that it gets our members results. So that's all I got for you in this one. Be sure to like and subscribe this video if you found some value. I'll see you in the next one.